So for my game, I created a Jeopardy game, and I used the 7.1 or 7.NS1 standards. So it was adding and subtracting integers and fractions and decimals. So I did adding and subtracting integers as a category, adding and subtracting fractions as a category, decimals, and rational numbers. So this one's like adding a fraction plus a decimal or whatever. And you would split your class into teams, probably 2 to 4 teams, depending on the size of your class. And they would play it like Jeopardy. So say they want adding and subtracting integers for 100. So you click it. -12 plus 19. They would give the answer, what is 7, in a question form. You would click the answer button. It says, what is 7? That's the answer. You click home, and it takes you back to the screen. And that one is covered, so they know they can't pick it again. And you just go through it until you've done them all, and the team with the most amount of points wins. So when I was choosing problems to put in this game, I researched a lot of like math worksheets that went along with these standards and pulled sample problems from there, just so I kind of had the correct idea of what type of problem they would be able to do at the 7th grade level. I didn't want to make it too hard, but I did use some of the more challenging ones as the 400-point level questions, and then the 100-point level questions are pretty simple, as in a normal Jeopardy game they would be. And I chose this game because we played this in my school a lot, actually, and it was always really fun, and it was just a really good, engaging way to learn something new and to kind of study for something. So I think this is definitely something I would like to use in my classroom when I am a teacher.